A revolution is defined as a complete or radical change. A revolution is something that alters your perspective or transforms your reality. This revolution is no different. The Futura Revolution from Specialty Equipment. The Futura Revolution combines state-of-the-art engineering, sophisticated software, and rugged construction in a package capable of washing virtually any vehicle. The standard 90-inch vehicle clearance can be increased to 96 inches. The standard 26-foot gantry track can be increased to 30 feet. This allows you to address your entire market, from the most compact car to the longest dually pickup or SUV, and even service vans with ladder racks. It truly is the best value in the industry. Owning a Futura Revolution will set your operation apart from the competition and get your customers coming back again and again. They'll be back because they can wash their vehicle and choose from a wide range of options that each deliver superior wash quality. If success means ease of service and reduced downtime, the Revolution is success personified. The Futura Revolution features a stainless steel gantry with hinged top access panels and removable stainless steel service panels on each side of the system. This easy access to service areas makes maintenance safe and efficient. The quick and efficient accessibility is paramount in the design of the Futura Revolution. Inside access to service areas means less clearance room is required, allowing you to fit the system into the narrowest bay. Direct drive hydraulics assure smooth, trouble-free operation and eliminate the expensive service costs associated with in-bay electric motors and complicated gearboxes. Supply, electrical, and hydraulic hoses fit neatly in an overhead umbilical carrier, off the ground and out of sight. Smooth operation is accomplished by using exclusive variable speed hydraulics and direct drive Delrin composite wheels. Pulleys, chains, sprockets, and tensioners are completely eliminated. Direct drive hydraulics eliminate the need for motors in the wash bay, while the compact stainless steel pump stand requires minimal floor space in the equipment room. The Future Vision control system mounts on the wall, away from vibration and water. A standard 65-gallon reservoir can be upgraded to 260 gallons where low water pressure or inconsistent supply is an issue. This ensures a reliable water supply to the pumping assembly. The technology used to power the Revolution is truly innovative. The touchscreen control panel in the equipment room accesses Future Vision, Revolution's software package. As an operator, you now have control over every aspect of every pass within every menu option. You choose the length of wash, number and speed of every pass, chemicals used, selection of stutter steps, and much more. The ease of menu changes allows you to offer specials, promotions, fleet wash options, and then track the results. Future Vision is further enhanced with the Futura eVision option, a valuable tool that allows remote access for troubleshooting and system reporting. eVision is accessed from any modem-based PC and turns information collected in Future Vision into informative reports with color charts and graphs to interpret data. Downloading financials combined with eVision allows you to look at uptime, chemical cost comparisons, and profitability. You can review the performance of your system from anywhere in the world, as well as change any parameter you choose. Since the remote PC reads Future Vision as if you were standing in the equipment room, our service technicians can access your information to help in troubleshooting and reduce downtime and unnecessary expensive on-site service calls. Many service calls are now handled over the phone. Even if an on-site call is necessary, the service technician will have already diagnosed the condition and arrive fully prepared. Futura Info page even pages you if an alert occurs. To maintain quality control and integrity, the Revolution is assembled in-house at Specialty Equipment's manufacturing facility and delivered to your bay in 3 pieces. Multiple pieces make retrofitting an existing bay simple and allow for extended height operations. Your customer is welcomed to the Revolution by the Futura Merchandising Center. Confusion is eliminated by backlit menu selections and instructions. The interactive, easy-to-use Futura Exchange entry system can offer your customer a multitude of payment options. The unit may be integrated with a gasoline pump that dispenses a receipt with a code, or it can accept tokens, cash, fleet, or VIP cards. Since information is sent from the entry system to FutureVision, you can analyze the selections that occur and track the success of promotions. As customers enter the bay, they notice the Futura VPS, Vehicle Positioning System. No more treadle plates. This system uses electronics to determine the best position for a vehicle's size, and the digital sign indicates the current status. A loud horn is supplied to give an audible cue to the driver, as well as the visual cue from the Futura digital menu sign. An optional backlit, illuminated merchandising sign lights up to reinforce your customer's menu selection. All the while, the dazzling show encourages waiting customers to upgrade their menu selection. The optional undercarriage spray and side blaster begins the wash. A first pass is made to deliver the hot pre-soak essential to successful cleaning. The variable speed hydraulic unit and computer control of the Revolution allows soft starts and stutter step action. The gantry gently moves forward and back at both the front and rear of the car. This ensures a concentrated wash on those hard-to-clean areas. This exclusive feature is only available on Futura touch-free systems. Your customer will surely feel the power. The spray bar under the top frame is positioned at the optimal washing angle. The direction of flow and pressure at this point is used for the front and rear of the vehicle. As the gantry moves forward, the top bar washes the hood and windshield. Then, midway on the vehicle, the bar pivots, directing the spray bar to the rear of the vehicle for maximum cleaning of back windows, pickup gates, and difficult-to-reach rear bumper areas. Side agitators are optimized for cleaning the sides, rocker panels, and wheel wells of the vehicle. The 16 0-degree nozzles on the side of the Revolution have been offset by 5 degrees to produce a quicker wash and maximize the wash process coverage on faster wash and rinse passes. When the arch reaches the back of the vehicle, high-pressure wash begins again, as does the stutter step, to ensure complete cleaning. An option that's bound to be very popular with your customers is the triple foam wax or conditioner. 3 separate nozzles dispense the tri-colored foam as it covers the car, conditioning or protecting the finish. Another Revolution finish option is Simonize Double Bond. This exclusive product contains a unique blend of Teflon and reactive silicones in a breakthrough product. Formulated for use with a low-pressure wax application system, Double Bond adds a special sheen to the car, as well as a protective coating. Be the only operator in your area to offer this dynamic feature. The rinse cycle can be accomplished with either a traditional rinse or the spot-free rinse. Dryers are available as either on-board or standalone units. If you opt to install a dryer with your Revolution, your customers will appreciate the timer display feature. Seconds are clocked down to let the customers get the most out of their drying time. If you're ready to join the revolution in the car wash industry, then look no further. It's the Futura Revolution. This complete in-bay wash system combines a superior wash with the latest in customer options and reporting software. With over 40 years of experience in the industry, Specialty Equipment has the knowledge, investor support tools, and reliability to help you choose a wash system to fit your needs. You owe it to yourself to talk to a specialty equipment representative. Build your dream today with the Futura revolution.